In Enterprise Data Management Cloud, service administrators administer the entire service and have full access to all service data. Everyone else is a user. In this overview, we'll show you what you can do as a service administrator. To get started with tasks for other types of users, see our related overviews. The home page for service administrators includes the Tools cluster. Access Control lets you create and manage user groups, view user information, and assign application roles to users and groups. Assign the Application Creator role to users who can create applications. Assign the View Creator role to users who can create views. Assign the Auditor role to users who need to view all system data transactions in the audit page, regardless of their other data permissions. You can also view reports on role assignments, user logins, and user groups. Migration lets you create snapshots of either full system backups or selected artifacts. You can import snapshots to the current instance or upload them to other Enterprise Data Management Cloud environments. On the Clone Environment page, you can create an exact copy of the current application in a target environment. You can use this option for migration scenarios such as production to test and test to production cloning. Daily Maintenance lets you set the start time for automated daily service maintenance and backups for your system. On the Templates page, you can import and export application templates. Templates let you store application configurations in an offline file, and you can use them to transfer individual applications and their metadata objects across environments. And Appearance enables you to customize the look and feel of your environment. Service administrators can create global connections to Oracle EPM Cloud, Oracle ERP Cloud, or Oracle Object Storage data sources. Application and dimension owners can use global connections when they define data extracts. The Reports page has a set of reports that are viewable by all users. It includes reports on permissions and policies by user and user group, subscriptions, custom validations, system activity, and record count log. You can filter the records in the report and download the results to an Excel file. The Settings and Actions menu for service administrators includes an option to recreate the service. This irreversible operation deletes all application data and artifacts and resets your instance back to the EPM Cloud landing page. Finally, although these options are available for all users, they're probably most useful for service administrators. Downloads gives you the download link for EPM Automate, an EPM platform command line utility. Service administrators can use EPM Automate to automate business activities such as importing and exporting metadata and data. Cloud Customer Connect links you to the Enterprise Performance Management community on Cloud Customer Connect, where you can network and collaborate with other customers. Select Provide Feedback to access links for troubleshooting EPM Cloud issues, make EPM Cloud-related requests, ask questions about EPM Cloud, or send feedback to Oracle about your cloud service. Oracle Support takes you to My Oracle Support, where you can search our knowledge base and find help resolving issues. And About gives you additional information about your instance, such as the number of records in use for your subscription, and the version of software installed. Check the description for links to related videos and the Manage and Govern Enterprise Data Assets with Enterprise Data Management Cloud learning series. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.